In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep sensitive docs client private in Basecamp. If you work with clients inside Basecamp, a big part of staying organized is controlling exactly what they can see. The good news is that Basecamp is designed to make privacy the default, so you only share what you intend to share. When you invite clients to a project, every existing conversation, file, and to-do list is private to your internal team by default. That means nothing you've added is automatically visible to clients. This starting point is intentional. It gives your team room to plan, draft, and discuss without worrying that something will leak into client view before it's ready. By default, Basecamp hides all content from clients until you explicitly choose to make it visible. Think of it as a share-on-purpose system. You create your messages, upload your files, and build out your to-do lists internally first. Only when you decide an item is client-ready do you change its visibility. This approach protects sensitive material and reduces mistakes because you're always opting in to share rather than trying to remember to hide something later. For each item you do want the client to see, whether it's a message, a file, or a to-do list, you can change its visibility to visible to client. You're in control on an item-by-item basis. Before you switch that setting, take a moment to confirm the content is final enough for outside eyes. A quick internal review helps ensure the wording is clear, any attachments are the right versions, and the item reflects the outcome you want from the client. Anything you leave private remains visible only to your internal team members, and never to the client. That's ideal for sensitive drafts, internal discussions, or strategic files, things like early brainstorming notes, budget considerations, internal feedback, or ideas that still need polish. Keeping these items private lets your team think out loud, iterate freely, and resolve questions behind the scenes before sharing a clean, consolidated update. A simple habit helps maintain control. Look for the visibility label on each item and confirm it says what you expect. If you're unsure, leave it private until you're ready. When you do switch an item to visible, you can add a concise summary so the client understands the context without needing to dig through internal backstory. That's the core workflow. Start with everything private. Selectively make items visible to clients and leave sensitive material internal. With this approach, you'll keep client communication focused, your team's work protected, and your projects running smoothly.